Hello, you are highly welcome to another interesting topic. In this particular video, we are looking at the shocking power of Jatropha leaves on poultry skin diseases, fowl pox, and parasites. How to use it safely is reviewed in this particular video. This plant is called Jatropha, Jatropha. It has different species. In this particular video, I want you to identify this plant. See, this is called red Jatropha. You can see it. The stem is reddish in color. It is called red Jatropha. They have similar medicinal properties. You can see it. Look at this plant very well. Watch it very well so that you can easily identify them. This is red Jatropha. You can see it's reddish in color. This is the normal or green. See the red Jatropha. You can see the stem is even red in color. This is the green Jatropha. You can see it. They have different botanical names. This is the green Jatropha. These plants, anywhere you see it, you can identify them. You can see this one has, it can bear fruit, it can bear seed. See flower. See this one is having flower. You can see the flower. You can see it here. Yes. This one, you can see, this one has started bearing seed. It used to bear seed. Are you seeing the seed? This one is bearing the seed. You can see it. This is the red one. This is the green one. Now, in this video, relax and get this video very well. This Jatropha is unlike other plants we have been treating. It is highly toxic in nature. Don't be deceived by anybody or any content creator telling you that you can eat this grass, you can eat the juice, you can use the juice to cure this or the other. Please make sure you verify every information, most especially once it needs to enter into your mouth, because this life has no duplicate. Jatropha is highly toxic. In this particular video, we are looking at how to make use of it in poultry and livestock. It is mostly used for external purposes in poultry and livestock, like skin diseases, fowl pox, parasites, and injuries. When we were young, at early stage of our life, children, we used to play a lot, and injury is part of our system. What our parents used to do that time is, once there is injury and red fluid is rushing from that place, they will just go and plug this Jatropha. Most especially the greenish one was too common that time. They would just go and plug it. In our own town, they used to use it to separate lands. It is always at the boundary because it has long lifespan and it can survive every season and every soil. So it is always at the center, at the border of boundaries of lands. So when they pluck it, if that red fluid is rushing, they just squeeze it or even use the liquid and touch it out, that wound. That injury is gone forever. That red fluid will cease the fluid rushing. It will stop immediately, and that injury, the next day, it is dried. That is how strong the chemical or the extract is. Now tell me how something like that, someone just drink it for any medicinal purpose. Please confirm all information on social media before you take, most especially for human being. Animals can go, you can still buy an animal, rear them, they'll still grow up. But human being has no duplicate. So I have seen a lot of videos, a lot of articles on social media circulating. Use this to cure, so drink it, squeeze it. So you see somebody drinking it, please be careful. Shocking power of Jatropha leaves on poultry skin diseases. Skin now, we're talking about the skin. I didn't say you should squeeze the juice and feed your poultry. Please, it's not what I said. This is for external use only. Jatropha, in this video, we are looking at the Jatropha leaf secrets. Cure fowl pox and wipe out parasites naturally in poultry and livestock. Please, I'm minding my words because of this platform. There is a word I'm supposed to use, but I'm trying to change it. So how to use Jatropha safely on chicken and animals Skin infections and parasites gone. Stop external parasites in poultry with Jatropha. No antibiotics needed. No external antiseptic needed. Jatropha leaf miracle for chicken fowl pox, lice and wounds. Treatment explained in this particular video. If your dog is having lice and mites, all these things that crawl in their body, just go and pluck Jatropha leaf, squeeze out the juice, use the extract and bath them. It is gone. Finally, you can't see anyone. All of them will just die at once. You will not see any of them at the same time. It is a powerful plant. So if you are a poultry farmer, your birds are having parasites, external parasites, please, you need to use this. It is very powerful. So it will cure fowl pox, it will cure skin diseases, skin infections, and it eliminates parasites naturally. Completely, you will not see it at all. Anything like parasites, you will not see it. Anything crawling on their body. In this video, you will discover how to safely use Jatropha leaves in poultry and livestock, because it is not something they can drink. It's not for internal use. You also learn the major benefits, dosage and administration techniques that can use to help reduce the cost of production of poultry and livestock animals. Jatropha is a hardy plant found across Africa and Asia, known for its powerful medicinal and insect repelling properties. It is very powerful in repelling insects. Why toxic internally? Please note this. When used properly externally, it can serve as a natural aid in poultry and livestock health. Let me give you 10 shocking benefits of Jatropha in poultry and livestock health, growth and profitability. 1. It repels external parasites like lice, mites, and ticks. If you are having dog or poultry birds, these layers that always have lice and mites crawling all over their body, when these are crawling, they will hardly lay egg. Note this very well. It heals minor skin wounds and infections and injuries. It dries and clears fowl pox, license faster. Mostly if you have chicken pox or turkey pox, this is your turkey, this is that swell up their faces. Just use something and scrape it, rub the extract on their face. The next 3 days, you will not see anything again. Your turkey will become a new creature, and all things will pass away. You will not see them again. It dries it completely. It reduces antibiotic dependency on poultry and livestock. It promotes organic farming and healthy animals. It saves money on chemical treatment. Can be mixed with neem or aloe vera for stronger results. Helps treat hook, rot, and crack skins in goats and sheep. It improves animal comfort and reduces stress. It boosts farm profitability through natural cure. Dosage and administration and how to make it for parasites. Mix Jatropha leaf with neem oil or coconut oil. Use it and rub on the affected areas. Everything apply on the affected skin or spray on the poultry house. All the lice, mites, ticks and all is gone within a short period of time. For skin use and for wounds or injuries, crush the fresh leaves and apply a thin paste on wounds or infected areas once daily. Within 3 days, it is gone. Use cotton if it is internal areas, maybe the ear or any other area. After extracting the juice, use cotton wool and soak it and use it and rub, clean that area. It is gone within 3 days. Please avoid eye contact and mouth contact, please. Don't allow you to touch the mouth or the eyes, please. It is highly toxic. Five health issues or diseases it can help cure externally, not internally, please. I always mention this so that you don't make mistake. Fowl pox, external lice on the skin of the poultry and livestock animals, skin irritations and dermatitis, external parasite infestations, mites, lice and ticks, minor cuts, bruises or peck wounds, hook rot and cracked skin in goats and sheep. All these are gone within 3 to 5 days. How do you make use of this Jatropha leaves to take care of all these external infections. First thing you do is go and pluck the leaves as you require. The quantity does not matter because this is for external use. It doesn't have overdose. What matters is if you have it in abundance, the more active, the more the quantity are, the more active it is. So what you do is plug in enough, wash it. After washing it, pound it. Or if you have, I won't advise you to use blender. Use grinding stone or mortar. Pound it very well. After pounding it, extract the juice. After pounding it, what you do is boil small quantity of hot water, maybe 1 liter of hot water. Then once the water boils very well, bring out the well pound leaves, put it in a plate. Not the plate that you used to eat, please. Put it in a bowl. Then pour that 1 liter of water, allow it to cool. After cooling, squeeze out the juice very well. Allow it to cool. Then use it and apply on the affected areas. For instance, assuming you want to use it to disinfect the skin of your poultry birds, rub it on their skin. Use foam, cotton wool, and rub it on their skin. Every lice, mite, and all the external worms are gone. They will all die at once. You can still use it to clean or bath your dog. If you have dog, farm dog, all these animals, goats, sheep, cattle, and the rest of them. Once they have external worms, anything that disturbs their skin, or skin infections, or fowl pox in poultry, or turkey pox, this one that swell their face and nose and everywhere, scrape that particular affected areas, apply the juice on that particular area, 3 days, it is gone. Please don't allow it to touch sensitive areas like mouth, nose, and eyes. Please, it is highly toxic in nature. There is a word I would have used, but this platform doesn't permit that word. This thing that can wipe off mites, lice, ticks, all these things. You know how dangerous, you know how bad it is. So don't apply it internally, please. That's how you apply it. Within 3 days, everything is gone. You can still use it to disinfect your poultry house if you have it in large number. Apply it and use sprinkle it all around every area. It sends flies away completely. It sends flies away, even mosquitoes in your house. You can use it to send mosquito back to their father's house. But all the mosquito is gone. Cockroaches, you can send them out. This is a very powerful plant. Can heal injuries and wounds. This is how you apply it. Please don't allow it to touch sensitive areas. Let me drop here and load another video in the next channel. Loading very soon. Bye.